There's 6 different cows. 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 When you see this plastic hinge here in the partial cheeks, these are the Hong Kong. You can see they're all IMC7. This one here is really cool because it's the 3.9 patent. Very cool with the IMC7. Here, 3.9, made in Hong Kong, IMC7. Trying to push it over, it's not wanting to work with me. Alright, I'll use my hand instead of my pointer. Now, this is the different IMC7. As you can see when you compare it to these are the tiny IMC7. Here is the one where it is almost part of the P. And that's on the 3.4 Hong Kong. Very cool. That is also the metal spring. The one without the made in country is a plastic spring, and then the one on the 3.9 Hong Kong small IMC7, that is a metal head spring. Now we go over here to our Austria ones. The neon yellow is on an... There we go. Sorry about that. 2.6 Austria. IMC3. All of these. IMC3. IMC3. 2.6. This one here is a 3.4. It will be the Austria metal spring, but this one is a 2.6 on a plastic spring. You will see the combination of them, so there are different variations there. This one with the neon yellow is a metal head spring there. So there you go. There's some cows. There's 6 different cows. But here you can see the back of the heads. The Hong Kong with the metal spring and the plastic spring. And then over here we have the Austrian ones with the more rounded little tab there in the back of the head. See the tab there. And over here in the Hong Kong, very small tab, if any. Very hard to see. There's 6 different cows. So until next time, do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. There's 6 different cows.